Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Okay, in Python programming language, we get these terms: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Here, in our class, we will discuss about these four different things. Some common features are there and some differences are also there. Sometimes what happens, students may confuse about where to take the list, where tuple, where set, or what is dictionary. So in today's class, I am giving you this chart for your convenience. You people, please write down this chart in your copy. This would be helpful for you. Now, the first thing is list. See, list, all these things, list, tuple, set, and dictionary, all these things are a collection of data. Okay, not a single element. Maybe there is a single element, but the concept is here. All these four things are used for store something more. Okay, more than one. You may put down one thing, but it is used for some more thing. More than one element may be there. So, first one is list. See, list is a collection of first point ordered element. All the elements will be in an order. Okay. Next, changeable. You can't change any the data item here. You can't change. And where, this is changeable. You can change in list and unchangeable in tuple. So, where to take the list? If you were writing a program where there may be some values which may change, in that case we consider list, not the tuple. And where we are opt for an unchangeable option, then we opt for tuple. Okay, this is the basic difference. This is ordered, changeable, allows duplicate members. List allows duplicate members. So these are the three basic features of list used in Python programming language. Set it in your mind. Okay, ordered, changeable, allows duplicate members. Next, tuple. Tuple is a collection of data also, and the first point is this is ordered. This must be in ordered, unchangeable. You can't change any of the data item in tuple. And allows duplicate members. This also allows duplicate members in this feature. So there are three features for list and tuple. Only one difference is here noticed, that is list is changeable, tuple is unchangeable. Okay, so please write down it clearly and very minutely, set it in your mind. And next is set. Set, we all know about set theory, is a collection of data, and this is unordered. This is not mandatory to have an ordered set, ordered elements in set. This is unordered, this may be unordered, unchangeable. You can't change the elements of a set. Unindexed, this is not indexed properly. No duplicate members. Here, no duplicate members is allowed in set. This is very, very important point. No duplicate members is allowed in a set. So, what to use set? If you think you are going to use something where there is no duplication of member, you can consider for set. Okay. And next, dictionary. Dictionary, here is also collection of data. This is ordered. First difference for set and dictionary, this is unordered and this is ordered. Very much ordered in dictionary. Unchangeable, changeable. You may change the elements of dictionary. Okay. Unindexed, this point is not very important for dictionary. This is unindexed. This may be or may not be. And no duplicate members also. Here also no duplicate members. Now, the basic difference we can get here, that is set is unchangeable, dictionary is changeable. So, how to use these 4 items in Python programming language. Suppose you have to write a program where you need some data in which no duplicate members allowed. First of all, when no duplicate members allowed, not opt for list and tuple, because here we allow duplicate members. This is either set or dictionary. Next point is whether this is unordered or ordered. If this is considered ordered as well as no duplicate members, we will opt for dictionary, and if unordered and no duplicate members is required, then we opt for set. Okay. So these are the very basic things. This is not a program, but we should know all these things. How to take the variables, how to think, because this is all about thinking. The logic is in here, and we have to implement the logic along with the syntax of a programming language. It will produce some codes, and we have to execute that particular code in the machine. And this is any programming language. This is the concept of learning a new language, right? There are so many languages, C, C++ and all those things, but Python is an easy language, but you should know the basic difference of these terms: list, tuple, set and dictionary. This is not only helpful for just doing programs, this is also helpful for the board exam, because for Viva there may be some questions like that. Please tell me basic difference between set and dictionary. All the properties almost same, just 2 are different, or here only 1 is different, like this now. So you may be asked anywhere, not in board exam Viva, but even if you are opt for any interview for programming language and all those things, you may be asked anywhere now, what is the difference. So you should know what is the difference, what is the common thing. So list, tuple, set and dictionary. I think the concept is clear. So please write down this properly and set it in your mind. Okay. Next day I will discuss about some new topic, something new for Python programming language. So for today's lesson, this is a very little bit things you have to know. And okay, so thank you for watching, and we will meet another day in another class. Okay, take care.